After verifying your account and enabling two-factor authentication, you will be able to convert your cryptocurrency. Start by logging into your Kraken account. On your homepage, select Buy Crypto. Choose the Convert option, then select the cryptocurrency you wish to exchange and the one you want to receive. Enter the amount to convert, or choose max to convert the entirety of your selected cryptocurrency into the targeted one. A summary of the transaction and associated fees will be displayed. Confirm by clicking on Confirm to finalize the operation. You may close the page or review the transaction summary. Congratulations, you have successfully converted your cryptocurrency. Your new tokens are now in your spot wallet and can be viewed on Kraken Pro.